The lazy method on how to become a content writer with no experience. Yes, you can become a content writer with these simple steps, even if you don't have any experience at all, you don't have any knowledge at all about it. So number one way is action. Yes, number one way is action. You need to put in the action. You need to start writing. There is no best time to write. The best time to write is now. Like now, instantly. That's the best time to write. You need to put in the action. So how do you go about it? You can just write about your day-to-day activities. Yeah, you can start with that. How your day went, you can start with that. And you can post it on social media. Yes, do not start documenting it in the book. No, as you are writing, be posting it on social media. Whether it is good, whether it has grammars in it, just post it. Yes, you are just starting. That is part of your little days. Yes, the beginning, the little days of your beginning. Yes, that is part of it. So just start writing. Write something. You can write about your work. You can start about your personal life. You can write about a story. You can write about your interaction with people. You can write about a lot of things. Yeah, you don't really need to focus on a particular niche. Yes, you can just freestyle. Yeah, freelancing, like freelancing, niche. Yeah, it doesn't really have a particular need. So just write on anything, talk on anything. You can write about your passion, what you're passionate about. Are you the type that you know how to bake, you know how to cook? Are you the type that you know how to drive a car, you know how to sew clothes, you know how to do a lot of things. So you can just write on anything that you're passionate about, or even on your day-to-day activities. So that's number one thing you can do, action. So number two is the use of social media. Yes, leverage the use of social media. Keep posting every day. Create a Facebook account or maybe a LinkedIn account. Like keep posting every day. Yes, keep posting every day. Just post it. If you write, even if it's just 4 lines, post it. If it's just 10 lines, post it. So keep posting on social media. At least every day, keep posting on social media. Then the third thing that I want you to know about is use AI tool like ChatGPT. It goes a very long way. AI tools can help you. Yes, it can really help you. Just go to ChatGPT. Okay, how to do this, and it will bring out lots of articles for you. The difference between you and AI tool, between you and ChatGPT, is that you can tweak and refine the articles that you got from AI and write it in your own sentence. You can write it in your own knowledge, like you can relate it with your own story or how you want it. Yes, you can rearrange it, like summarize it. That's the only difference, and the difference is your creativity. Yes, that's the difference. Because you can be asking yourself that since there is ChatGPT, then why should I become a content creator, or why do I need to be writing content? Why do I need to be writing? Well, the reason that you need to be writing is that you still need those tools to maximize your skills. Yes, and secondly, it will make you more productive, because AI tools is like a supportive system. It is not taking away your job. It's not taking away some skills, some duties from you. It is just enhancing your skill. It is enhancing your work for you. So you can use AI to maximize yourself, to become more productive, to become more efficient. Instead of using hours to make research on internet, on Google, on Quora, on Reddit, just to gather information together on a particular topic, and just use AI to ChatGPT. And within seconds, it will break out different articles in a different way you want it. And it is not left for you to maximize the opportunity, to tweak it and reorganize it, and arrange it in the way you want it, in the way you want it to be written. Yes, that's the only difference. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use all these AI tools as well. Then next is to revise and edit your content. Yes, revise and edit your content. Just go through your content. Yes, just check the title. Is the title okay? Read your content out aloud. Yes, are you okay with what you are reading? The introduction, the body, the paragraphs, the ending, the conclusion. Just go through it. Then the next thing is to enroll for online courses. Yeah, as you are progressing day by day, as you are improving, you need to also develop yourself. You need to develop that skill. Yes, content writing skill, you need to develop it. Do not stay in a particular position. Keep moving. Keep progressing every day. So enroll for online courses. Can enroll for online courses on Coursera, on Udemy, on HubSpot. You can even watch YouTube videos, Google, like lots of opportunities. They are free, they are paid versions, whichever. You can even pay for a masterclass, can pay for a coach, where a person will be to coach you. Yes, you can do it. Just keep developing yourself. Like, develop yourself. I also coach people. If you want me to coach you, I can coach you. I coach people on how to write content, on how to become a content writer from beginner to professional level. You can reach out to me and I'll put you through. Yes, because sometimes you use money to get money, and sometimes you, instead of using a longer period, instead of using weeks, months, and years to master, you can just use little money to master everything in a week, and you're good to go. That's the benefit of hiring a personal coach. That's the benefit of hiring a personal coach, because I was once in that shoes before. Because years back when I started content writing, it took me months and years before I could master content writing, before I could become how I am today now in content writing. Yes. So I wish I had paid for a coach years back to put me through that. Would have become better, and by now I would have my growth would have been maybe times 10 by now. So that's the benefit of hiring a personal coach. In a nutshell, just keep developing yourself. That's the basic. Keep developing yourself. Do not stay in a particular place. Keep adding value to yourself. The more you develop yourself, the more value you can give out to people. And the more value you give out to people, you are also growing. Whether you know it or not, you are also growing. And the more you grow, you are also adding to your financial life, you're also adding to your career-wise, you're also adding to your secular and a lot of opportunities. So just keep developing yourself. And lastly, that I want to share with you is that I want you to be consistent. Don't start something and give up the following week or the following moment. No, just be consistent. Put in the work. Keep doing it every day. Just see it as something that is important, like a degree that you need to get. Like, just keep pushing. Do not give up. Be patient, and just have an open mindset about it. Then, one more thing I would like to share before I end this video is that I want you to network with great mind, people of intellectuals. Be it in a Facebook community, be it WhatsApp group, be it Telegram, be it LinkedIn. I want you to network with people. Yes, join groups, interact with them, make meaningful connections. Hello, if you see your fellow content writer, message them, enter into their DM. Hello, how are you doing? In fact, go through their posts, read it one by one. Wow, okay, this thing is meaningful things. Okay, drop a meaningful comment on it. Interact. The more you do so, the more you're expanding your network, the more you're expanding your connection. And the more you expand your connection, the more opportunities you get. That's the truth, that's the secret. So then, what are you going to do now? What I want you to do now is to start now. After watching me talking, after you watching this video, me explaining the steps, the strategies, this lazy method to become a content writer, I want you to start now. You watching this video, you listening to me, I want you to start now. Whatsoever that is holding you, start now and start implementing the strategies that I've discussed so far. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can edit your content. I will share with you how you can source for content ideas and much more about content writing. So I want you to stick with me. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out from all these videos. And please like this video, share it to people, share it to others. Yes, let them also learn about all these methods as well. So see you in my next video. I want you to keep crushing. I want you to keep moving. Don't give up and put in your best. Peace.